Hello everyone, I've finally done it. I've bought my dream espresso machine. I've wanted the Ascaso Steel Duo for a long time, and now I've finally decided to buy it. When I got home from work today and the machine was on my doorstep, I already knew that I was going to do an unboxing today. When I opened the box, the first thing inside was a descaler and of course the instruction manual. Fortunately, the machine was extremely well packed, so nothing got damaged during transport. Here it finally is. The Ascaso Steel Duo PID V2. Now enjoy the beauty of the machine. The first thing I did was to remove the foil on the top. This reveals the beautiful mirrored top. Another foil also had to be removed from the drip tray. This was a little more difficult than on the top and took much longer than expected as the foil was stuck in the corners of the drawer. The wait was worth it. See for yourself. The water tank can be pulled out on the right-hand side. The steaming wand has 25% more power than the previous model. I love the mechanical levers. Let's move on to the accessories. This brown box is filled to the brim with things. I'll show you all the items very briefly and show you what they are. The portafilter with wooden handle looks amazing and feels very good in the hand as it has a decent weight. Here you can see all the accessories at a glance. The machine has enough accessories to get you started right away. I can hardly wait to use it. I will only show you the first coffee and an explanation of which settings are perfect after I have used the machine myself for a few days. Subscribe to my channel if you liked the unboxing and want to see how to make coffee with the machine, which settings are perfect, and much more. See you there, thank you.